Hello traders, today is Friday, it's about 9:54. I want to take the first trade I see on the Sonic trading system. This is a live trade. You can see the upload time of this video is probably about an hour from now, which is good because this is a live environment, not a market replay and not after the fact. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please make sure that you understand the risks involved with trading. You can lose money, you can make money, you make a lot of money, you can lose money. Just be careful, there are risks involved with trading. So the Sonic trading system is based on price action. We want to look at a method of trading price, patterns, a hybrid system, really focusing on what is the market doing. It's healthy, it's about 6 points, so remember your targets and your stops should be relative based on the current market conditions. Again, 5-6 points, you're looking at a healthy $300 on each trade, so that would be something that I would focus on. Those dotted lines that you see here, those dots there, that's a filter. Anything below that, we're going to focus on going and staying to the short side. Above that, you're only going to see long trades. So that filter is built in order to keep us on the right side of the market, especially if we have a strong move, a strong trend. We don't want to fight that. All right, we have a short 5,500. It's alert 2. That means that the Sonic system offers 2 separate types of alerts and signals. This happens to be version number 2, alert 2. And I will adjust my target exactly to where that green line is, because that's telling me where the target should be. I'm also going to adjust my stop to that red line. That's telling me where my stop should be. So the Sonic trading system tells me the target, tells me the stop, it tells me everything that I need about this trade. I'm using a 1-minute chart. I also have a 30-second chart here up on another monitor, and that is also firing off and giving me signals. I'll bring that over in just a second to show you what that chart looks like. Now, why am I maybe using a 1-minute chart and a different chart, maybe a 1,000-tick chart or a second, like a 30-second chart? It's because I want to see what's happening and take whatever opportunity happens first. I recommend that you just really focus on one chart, but me, as I'm looking at it, testing, trying to take what I can really within the first few hours of the day, I don't want to sit here all day, I'm seeing what exists. So that is one of the reasons why you may want to have a NASDAQ and an E-mini, so you can place the Sonic trading system on any chart, on any market, and any time frame, as long as you adjust those settings. Okay, very simply, it's a short trade. The target is 54.97. The entry is about 5,500. I got in at a better price because the market moved. Actually, it's a good thing. It went in my favor. This is something that we teach as well in the training videos you get with the Sonic. If you have a better opportunity for a better price, it could even be for a tick, I would absolutely take that. So if the market goes and gets you a better price, use a limit order, try not to chase it. And I only want to take maybe 1 or 2 trades here on a Friday, and I want to enjoy the rest of my day and look forward to the weekend. Going out of the week with a healthy profit for the week, this is what we want as traders. Try not to overtrade, try to keep it simple, and what can I tell you? The Sonic trading system is really working well. Now it's kind of hovering on it, on our entry price, just kind of like flip-flopping around. That's fine. I don't see any news events. There's a news indicator that I have, and I can include that. Anybody buys the Sonic system, I can include the news indicator so you can see if there's any type of news coming out. And it's helpful because if there is news coming up at 10 o'clock, I'm going to be very careful not to place a trade or be in a trade, because something could happen. The market can go crazy, either up or down, large swings, large volatility. That's not what I want. So I can see that there's not really anything that I should be concerned with on the news at this point. All right, it's going in my favor. It's just one contract, so I'm really only trading one contract. You can trade on the micros. This is about $50, $62. You may be hearing in the background a couple of shooting sounds. Those are the alerts for the Sonic that are coming off on other charts. As a matter of fact, here is the 30-second chart. The 30-second chart, just get this a little bit better so you can see the 30-second chart here, same account that I'm trading. It's the same market. So remember, if you're trading the same market in the same account, it looks like this, okay, for those of you who know. So on the 30-second chart, we had two signals, and both of these signals were accurate, were good, were successful, right at 9:53, and then the other one here at 9:56 or 7, right? You can see that right there. On the 30-second chart, we obviously have more signals. On the 1-minute chart, as you can see here, it's about $200, $225 out of the market, finished. I don't really think that you need many of these trades. I really try to tell our traders not to overtrade. So pick and choose wisely. 30-second chart is on the left. Very good, very accurate. The 1-minute chart is what I decided to take the trade on. Get this out of the way. As long as you follow the signals and you keep it simple, everyone who's trading the Sonic system should be doing very well. This week was fantastic, so you guys are in good shape. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com and get a free member account if you don't have one already. Have a good weekend. I'll see everyone on the other side. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system, only available at DayTradeToWin.com. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.